This is an easy guide for DIY users to set up a new Hoymiles account. As more and more DIY customers are installing Hoymiles microinverters for their PV systems on balconies, Hoymiles has launched a new feature where DIY users can now set up a new account on monitoring platform named the S-Miles Installer app without the help of an installer. In this video, you will learn how to create a new account and plant on the installer app. Before we start, please update the S-Miles Installer app to the latest version, or just download this app through the QR code on the right. Then click No Account to enter the registration page. Click Go to Set and turn on the GPS location service. Please return to the app and wait for the pop-up. While waiting, you may refresh the page to hasten the loading of the app. Click Register to go to the registration page. Then click Go to Set, and you will be directed to the Wi-Fi page. Please make sure you select the DTU wireless network. The DTU series number will be automatically filled in after you join the DTU network. Click Go to Set, and you will re-enter the Wi-Fi page. Now, you will be automatically disconnected from the DTU. Go back to the app and fill in the information required. Type in the verification code sent to your email and complete the account creation. Now, you can go to the next step to set up your plant. Type in the username and password. Click Login. You can choose to save your password for a quick login next time, and you will be directed to the plants page. Click plus on the upper left and start building your plant. First, you need to fill in the name of your plant and other basic information. Please avoid duplicate plant names. Then select the plant type and enter the capacity of your system. Please note that the plant type cannot be changed once it is created, so please select one that suits your installation situation and the installed capacity. If you have multiple arrays, please select the large commercial plant. Next, select your time zone. Please make sure you select the right time zone, because a wrong one will affect the display of your daily power generation. Then select the location of your plant. You will be automatically located on the map when you give the permission. You can drag and zoom in the map to locate the plant or type in the detailed address. Make sure the information is correct. Then choose your region. You can upload a picture of your plant if you want to add the cover. If all the information is confirmed, then click Next to start adding your devices and setting the layout. Click Add DTU and add the DTU serial number. The serial number can be entered manually or added by scanning the QR code. Then click Add Micro and fill in the serial number of your microinverter. You can find the DTU and microinverter serial number from the label attached to them. Click Add Micro again if you want to add more microinverters. Then click Finish to move on. Please note that if you want to add more microinverters under the same DTU, just click Edit below. If you want to add more DTU, you should click Add DTU. Click Next to complete this step. Then we can move on to lay out your plant. You can change the array name, fill in the azimuth and inclination of your modules, and then select the layout pattern. Click Save and enter the PV module layout interface. Adjust your modules according to the actual installation, and click Next when the layout is complete. Upload the installation map of the plant, or you can also directly click Next to start more settings of the power station. Finally, you can decide whether to enable the export management or power balance config. Fill in the remaining information about the plant and click Finish. Now, your power plant is set up and activated. Thanks for watching.